Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 26 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, which city became India's cleanest city according to Swachh Sarvekshan 2020? Indore, Delhi, Mumbai, Surat. The correct answer here is Indore. Option A is correct here. Indore became India's cleanest city for the fourth consecutive term. Okay, Indore became the India's cleanest city. And remember one thing, that Chhattisgarh is the cleanest state. Chhattisgarh is the cleanest state. Okay, Indore is the first cleanest city, Surat is in the second position, and Navi Mumbai of Maharashtra is in the third cleanest city of India. Okay. Our second question was, what is the rank of India in Digital Quality of Life Index 2020 in e-infrastructure? The correct answer here is option C, 79. When the question is Digital Quality of Life Index 2020 only, the answer is 57. In our previous day question, it is only Digital Quality of Life Index 2020, and there is no answer in the our option. So when e-infrastructure is added, then answer is 79. Okay, Digital Quality of Life Index 2020 in e-infrastructure, answer is 79. And when Digital Quality of Life Index 2020, only 2020 overall, it is 57. Okay, the India rank is 57 when Digital Quality of Life Index 2020 is only asked, and when e-infrastructure is added, the answer is 79th rank. Okay, and in internet affordability, the rank of India is 9th. In internet affordability, the rank of India is 9th. Okay, proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, DRDO chief G. Satish Reddy was got how much year extension in his tenure? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer here is option A, 2 years. The famous Indian scientist G. Satish Reddy was given a 2-year extension as the chairman of DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. You can see the image of G. Satish Reddy, the famous Indian veteran scientist of DRDO here, and the chairman of DRDO also. The headquarters of the DRDO is situated in New Delhi. In New Delhi, headquarters is situated, and it is established in 1958. DRDO is established in 1958, and chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. India Pavilion at Army 2020 Forum was inaugurated in which country? United Kingdom, USA, Russia, France. The correct answer here is Russia. Option C is correct here. The India Pavilion at the Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum was inaugurated in Russia, and it is inaugurated by Defense Secretary Rajkumar and Indian Ambassador DB Venkatesh Burma. Okay, Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency here, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is launching a new application named Super App for digital services? Reliance, Tata Group, Flipkart. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Tata Group. Tata Group is launching a new app named Super App for digital services. Okay. Next question. Government of India has signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with whom for 500 million US dollar for Mumbai Urban Transport Project? ADB, World Bank, AIIB. Option D, IMF. The correct answer here is option C, AIIB. The Government of India and AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, signed an MOU for 500 million US dollar for Mumbai Urban Transport Project. The headquarters of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is situated in Beijing, China, and the president is Jean Liqun. Jean Liqun is the president, and it is established in 16 January 2016. AIIB is established in 2016. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who launched a mobile application named My IAF to provide career related information? RKS Bhadoria, Rajnath Singh, MM Narvane, Karambir Singh. The correct answer here is the Chief of Air Staff RKS Bhadoria. Option A is correct here. The Chief of Air Staff RKS Bhadoria has launched a mobile application named My IAF, Indian Air Force. Okay, and it is for to provide career related information and details to the aspirants who want to join Indian Air Force. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Cricketer Cameron White announced his retirement. He belongs to his country: Sri Lanka, Australia, Bangladesh, South Africa. The correct answer here is Australia. Option B is correct here. Australian cricketer or the all-rounder Cameron White has announced his retirement from all form of the cricket. Okay, you can see the image of Cameron White also here, a very famous all-rounder of Australia. Question number 7. Bayern Munich won the UEFA Champions League 2019-20. The Bayern Munich belongs to which country? Germany, Portugal, Brazil, Australia. The correct answer here is Germany. Option A is correct here. Bayern Munich is a sports professional club of Germany, won the UEFA Champions League 2019 and 20 by defeating Paris Saint-Germain in 1-0 point. And the capital of Germany is Berlin. And the currency is euro. Euro is the currency of Germany. Okay, you can see the players here. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. German golfer Sofia Popov won the Women's British Open 2020 by defeating whom? Jasmine Swarnapura, Leela Seth, option C Anne Singh, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Jasmine Swarnapura. Okay, German golfer Sofia Popov won the Women's British Open 2020 title by defeating Thailand's Jasmine Swarnapura in Scotland. Okay, Jasmine Swarnapura, who defeated in this game, is from Thailand, and Sofia Popov is from Germany. You can see the Sofia Popov here, who won the Women's British Open 2020. Question number 9. Who got the award for making contribution in the Swachhata Hi Seva program? NTPC, NLCIL, Reliance, option D none of these. The correct answer here is option B NLCIL. The Government of India, the Navaratna NLCIL, Navaratna India Limited, NLC, the abbreviation of the NLCIL is NLC India Limited. Okay, has got the award for making an extremely valuable contribution in the implementing of the Swachhata Hi Seva program. Okay, and the chairman and managing director of the NLCIL is Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar is the chairman and managing director here, and NLCIL is founded in 1956 and headquarters is situated in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 10. Who is the author of the book titled Who Painted My Lost Red? Sri Iyer, Chetan Bhagat, Pratibha Ray, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Sri Iyer. Option A is correct here. Sri Iyer is the author of the book named Who Painted My Lost Red? Who Painted My Lost Red? The book is something about when Bollywood meets cricket meets politician. It is about when Bollywood meets cricket meets politician. Okay, you can see the cover page of the book also here. The name of the book is Who Painted My Lost Red. I hope you got the answer now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Please try to answer more in comment section. Our first question is Ashwini Bhatia become new managing director of which bank? Our second question is India's largest river ropeway inaugurated in which state? Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel. And if you like the channel, please share in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. And don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.